kwasiasem koma jimi. It's only a fool that will beg. Kwasia and the better sa play with my.
All right, Ebusuama Okaba biom Embra Ghana Ins0lted so midin e the promise. Ebusuama ko share some video bi mbra. Video ne dia atem de wo mo pa na mom no. Enko share video ne mbra wi a ye bete ho ne aye ne kama e de amam.
Macron emfa wo kancho kwasiasem koma jimi. It's only a fool that will beg. Kwasia and the better sa play with my kwatna Europe say okwa pachew si emfa ne kanche no kwasia pe ne be sa de ni jimi fu a se binye nipa na wo no nipa tete ne se nipa and the better sa play mu 345,000 2.8 million no akogina France emfa ne kanche no. David Cameron ride bicycle kwa adwuma. Macron is seen riding a bicycle to adwuma. Wash a goosey suit. I plane 2.8 million. I could not see him for cancho. And come Jimmy and ka France for Jimmy Europe. Somebody ya catch a crank Jimmy. Somebody ya crabber and yes, Anquasia for Mamu so. Somebody ya cabacha, Moonsha Yang Ghana for a Muya Babo. Namufache no Munyasa because idiot to be appeal to Musamon Fire Canche. Modia catcher because idiot to be making appeal and Kamukrama Jimmy Channel. Air Force One crying your laws we see. Air Force One, American Air Force One crying your laws we see. Your presidential jet. At a Miss Bellman pay you almost 4 years.
Ebusunya video ya kokko hwe ye video a NDC journalist ni bi atiesi Akufo Addo so na wodi na tem samre na no Ghana mampanyini no. Ni nyane se na Addo dan kwa Akufo Addo no Ghana mampanyini samre no na okọ eye France. Na oni France president na ko negotiate akodi nkomo na e ka Ghana edi omo no omati so edi amayen we na journalist ye NDC ne say ehin ne ha onti bida eno nti no obedi Akufo Addo atama fe no kwase aboa jimifo ensem a yentimi enka nchira mahama no journalist we e ka chira na Addo dan kwa Akufo Addo sambe no Ghana mampanyini na mitie sa video we wiye no e na me say Samuel na eja kwabena ende ono ti UTV SA ngofo bia ye live ama live no mo ye no bia be ka se wuo na ekọ no na nkenye se sankofo na ewu na nipa na ohwe no kra so won no wanwu eno nti no se onti bida o se manfo bitimi betena live didi mahama atem o se onti bida eno nti no ono no etu omofo no so amere we ya journalist we tina radio station popotwa fun tantan so e kan sansem hu nsem tantan mamra sem nyambra sem we chana Addo dan kwa Akufo Addo no sa amere no na eye sa kwabena wanwan no kwabena je yo se eja kwabena wo se wanwan na owo UTV no that time no na like sa opposite that time no na onim nyansa sanse penifo say penina otena fima nkolare na nkanwe fo ka ho bi John Dramani Mahama ti oman we mu na nkofo we mu ka sanse we nyina kire Akufo Addo when timi amba out ambe kwanhye oman kanche omo say you people should stop insulting the president of the land. Mumfa respect a man as the president. Our sons will nini. Akufo Addo away or 81 years next year. And President Sam Reno, former President John Dramani Mahama, ain't me unconscious all these people. Ain't me unconscious almost say Omube Jai say Omudi president natem. John Dramani Mahama Ghana mampanyini etna se hweye momo ka diombeka ye diomubeye nyina enne enyankofo bi se omo se obi kaseti Mahama omo ba kohwehwe no na makoye ndombeye no muye like you guys are joke. You guys are joke. Like you are joke. You say your body man you bo free. Charity begins at home. So if you think you have something to do, you need to start it from your house. Sam George Okujoto Ablakwa, Sami Jemfi, Basintali, we were in this country. You remember when Sam George Etina TV Soka said about many manifesto called Lanchino a year 300 and something pages of nonsense. We were in this country, nothing happened. We were in this country, and Bahama Kachire Baomia say he is an idiot. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. Okoto die ne bodwe nyanya nkyerɛ de yɛmfa nyɛ no, right? Okoto de ne bodwe nyanya nkyerɛ de yɛmfa nyɛ no. That's what you guys are trying to tell us today. But I just want to tell you people that this is just the beginning. We have a long way to go. 2028, papa. 3 years, 4 months to go. 3 years, 4 months to go. And we are just starting. We are just starting. So you guys should be ready. Because what is coming, I swear to God, what is coming, so wunim de ba won nka mapada de eche de ahye, because send your man for see heat no bro, aman for heat papa, aman for see your man no, they are just waiting for the right time to start talking. We are in an era of social media and there is nothing you can do. We are in a digital world and everybody has the right to speak. So far as it's not against the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana, the 1992 Constitution, so far as what the person is saying is not against the Constitution, so far as it's within the Constitution and it's allowed, there is nothing you can do. I remember in 2022 or 2021, someone went to the court and say so did the and the court said nah, it's not a crime to insult the president. So you guys, there's a law that it's not a crime to insult the president. And even currently, no, Kevin Taylor Ghana did and Penny by a court number and say, oh, you can insult the president and move. So it now no, it's approved. So you guys should relax. The same thing that you did, we are about to start. The things that you said, we are about to start. Just relax, because the movie is going to be long movie. It is going to be part 1 to part 50. Just relax, because this movie is going to be a movie that you are going to like it. You are going to like it. And my warning to Jacob now, be serious. Wear your party color. Everybody know where you are. Just wear your party color. Stop pretending to be a journalist. You are not. You are an NDC journalist. You are not a neutral journalist. Stop being hypocrites. Just declare your stand. You are an NDC journalist. We all know. There is not. Alright, Ebusuama Okababium Embra Ghana and NDC so me din the promise. Ebusuama share some video bembra. Video ni di atem di wo mo pa na mom no. Enko video no mbra wi a ye bete ho na ya ne kama e di amam. There is nothing for you to hide anymore. We all know. We all know. So better declare your stand and stop being hypocrite, because when Jaya you best so now be the hard way. I have me Ghana and NDC me din the promise.